abiza bakutwale niwe olisima 35 na kongere 15.
Okurundana sente zo kwombeka ekereziya ya St Karembe Catholic Church muri Kizinda kurundi n'abebembe zo kurugo mu madini goona nkakamanyiso ko kukwatanisa.
Nyenda kusima government ahabwa project eje ahabwa program eje eyibaresire yo kuiha abantu mboro na mnonga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Anet Katsime Mugisha obirari omujenyi mukuru asimire nkoreji eyagizire ngo nuguma hamuranga gwa Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa Ankole okuguma bakorra hamwe.
Nyundi omukuru stayo ko nkatwantumbeke kereziya twena ruhanga nomwe twine kombekera ruhanga kureka ngo nyencha kare abantu bitu bona bashomera omukereziyeji
ogwa bahire nshaho 30 za siminti okubonjera okumaririza bwombeka
kandi ni Dr. Mushogo kwakwasa nshaho 30 izina baretera okureba kutabasa kutereza ekereziya
wanu mubarayizinga emyeto tubakuchera kugikonsideringa kandi ni impamyature direct kugira ngo basenti y'emyeto kuba kwa batatungere senkaba abaparishe yakabari kuba kwa batakize bashemerire kuzavinga sentezo.
Omugandi ba pastor kurugo muri Dubai na Philippines barukurabera omukibina cyawe cya Tribes Mission Academy batendekere ba pastor muri Ankole ngo muringo gumugo kujanshaza injiri ya ruhanga.
Our main focus are only pastors and church leaders because we want to train first of all the pastors so that when we train them, when we equip them, they themselves can be able to train their own people.
Is to train the church leaders, pastors, workers so that they can start their own ministry, they can have their own small group so that they can expand the work of God. So the whole purpose of the TMA Mission Academy is to train and make a disciple so that they can go and make more disciples of Jesus Christ.
Okutende koko kumaziresa biti biro murushema obwe barukushaje kwa Bishop Byensu gumisirizo wa Revival Cathedral Church ahi abagambire birunje birukuza kurugamo
batendekwa omukumanya Bible batendekwa mukubura enjiri batendekwa omumyoga minji munonga nabo cyo nintekateka ngo enjiri ebiredeburwa muri shema no kumanya Bible hati byayiyongera byazamutindo obwo kikacahiga.
Lessons we have been told. God has trusted you to pass on the message to other people. Please go and multiply disciples. Go and do the work of the kingdom.
Abahona bahirwe za certificate. Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael Tumwachire na Sheikh Abdulatif.